Welcome to World Mart Internet Business Solutions. Exploring the pros and cons of white label travel booking versus API integration. 1. Quick implementation. White label. Ready-to-use booking systems are pre-built and designed for easy integration. It enables businesses to go live swiftly without the complexities of developing and maintaining API connections. API integration. Building and maintaining API integrations can be time-consuming. White label solutions provide a faster route to market. 2. Cost effectiveness. White label. Upfront costs are typically lower with white label solutions. Businesses can avoid the expenses associated with custom API development, testing, and ongoing maintenance. API integration. Custom API development often involves higher upfront costs and ongoing expenses for updates, maintenance, and support. 3. Simplicity and user-friendly. White label. User interfaces are often designed for simplicity and ease of use. This benefits businesses that may not have extensive technical expertise. API integration. Developing a user-friendly interface on top of integrated APIs requires additional effort. White label solutions may be more intuitive for end users. 4. Brand customization. White label. Businesses can easily customize the look and feel of the platform to align with their brand. This ensures a seamless and consistent user experience. API integration. Customizing the user interface to match the brand may require more effort, and businesses may need to invest in additional design and development resources. 5. Scalability. White label. White label solutions are often designed to scale with business growth. They provide a scalable infrastructure without the need for businesses to manage the technical aspects. API integration. Scaling API integrations may require additional development work and infrastructure adjustments to accommodate increased traffic and functionality. 6. Reduced technical dependencies. White label. Businesses with limited technical resources can benefit from white label solutions that minimize the need for in-house development expertise. API integration. API integration projects may require a higher level of technical knowledge and ongoing technical support. 7. Time to market. White label. Businesses can expedite their time to market by leveraging pre-built solutions. This is especially advantageous in fast-paced industries. API integration. Developing and testing API integrations can extend the time to market, potentially causing delays in product or service launches. In summary, while API integration offers flexibility and customization, a white label booking system provides a quicker, more cost-effective, and user-friendly solution, making it an advantageous choice for businesses looking to streamline their booking processes. Thanks for watching.